Used to the bullshit, so none of it is urgent. Hey man, what y'all finna go do? We forever purging. It's another Tuesday, Sunday for the service. Somebody trying to keep me from my purpose on purpose. We've been beating odds since peas in the pod. Ain't no need for ID when you identify as gods. But the truth of what beats, I can fill a room with nods. Spend too much time on cards, now I'm shooting at facades. Whew. Mama living comfy is a milestone. Greatest version of myself is when I found home. Y'all see it from afar, so you hit me with a call. Couldn't wait for me to fall, so here's the dial tone.